Welcome GFD community. I'd like to introduce myself as Miss Lisa Cunningham. I'm the designated safeguarding here at GFD. This session is going to be talking through our policies and procedures with regards to safeguarding to ensure that parents are fully informed of if they have a safeguarding concern, what to do and who to contact. On the screen you can see Miss May. Miss May is our school compliance officer and she ensures that the school is compliant with the government with regards to health and safety and safeguarding as well. If you have any need to contact her, her email address is displayed on the screen. You can see also our key contact information. I've included there the email addresses of myself as the safeguarding lead, our deputy designating safeguarding leads who are Mr. Banyard, Mr. Thomas Banyard, the principal, Mr. Paul McAvoy who is our head of secondary, and Miss Chelsea Seymour who is our deputy head of primary. In addition to that, I've also included Miss Merrin, our school counsellor, if ever you feel you wish to contact her or you would like some additional support for you as a family or your child. To give you some context, children spend more than half of their time at school and with adults within a school setting. It's all of the school staff's responsibility to identify any concerns they have and to provide help for students and prevent things from escalating. Often we are the people that children tell first, and it's our duty of care to ensure that we promote the welfare of children and we protect them from harm. By choosing GEMS and by choosing GFD, you choose an education provider that takes safeguarding extremely seriously and takes action to protect children and safeguard their well-being. Here in the UAE, we follow the Child's Right Law, which is number 3, and also is referred to as Redeemer's Law. This law ensures that all children have access to accommodation, health service and education, and it also follows up where these are breached by parents or carers. In addition to the law, we also have our own policies and procedures that we follow consistently across GEMS, and as you can see on the screen is a small snippet to show you our safeguarding policy that all staff read and are trained on, and also our code of conduct which all staff sign to ensure that their actions with students conform across the school and across GEMS. On the screen now you can see our safeguarding poster which is advertised around school, in common areas and in all classrooms. This ensures children know who they can speak to if they have a safeguarding concern about themselves or about one of their peers. We also educate our staff and our students on seeing beyond the behaviour. We know that behaviour is a communication tool from students, so we make sure to identify that behaviour and address the behaviour to ensure that we understand what the issue is with a child. And we ask for your support when we reach out to you with regards to any behaviour incidents that we've had, which we feel is your child communicating a need or a want. Attendance is a really important part of safeguarding as well. Sometimes if we have a look at a child's attendance rate, or if it drops or it fluctuates, it could mean that there is a possible sign of neglect, it could mean that there's a possible mental health issue, or it could mean that a child has an incident with regards to bullying, for example. There is also medical needs as well, so it's really important as a parent that if you have a medical exemption for your child or a medical need for your child or appointment, you let us know in advance so that we can ensure that attendance is adjusted accordingly. If a child attendance if a child is absent from school from 5 consecutive days and we have no information, that is then logged as a safeguarding concern, and you will receive an email from our academic support highlighting that case and asking for further information. So we ask that you respond to those emails, or even better still, email us before the absence is being taken so that we are all involved and we all know the situation. We do monitor our children's attendance from daily to weekly to monthly, and we do look at patterns across attendance for groups of students and individuals. So if there is ever a sudden decline, we will make sure that we get in touch with you to reach out and see if we can support you in any way. And we also make sure that we follow our attendance policy, which if you would like to look in more detail is available on our school website. To ensure that when our children are on site at GFD and when they're using a device, we ensure that we have a strong and robust filtering and monitoring system with regards to the sites that they access online. The filtering is a preventative measure that blocks access to specific sites, and the monitoring is a reactive measure where we track and monitor patterns or access and ensure that we keep up to date with those sites that are not suitable for students. As displayed on the screen here, you can see some key elements with regards to artificial intelligence or AI, and to understand what that is, to prevent any misuse of AI, and to respond if ever AI is inappropriately used. We make sure that our AI teachers in both secondary and primary educate our students on safe usage of AI, and we also report any cases using our safeguarding platform Guard to make sure that we react accordingly, and then we would inform our data team or our IT team to make sure again that filtering and monitoring system happens. Today I've gone through safeguarding here at GFD, your part that you play to support your child and the part that everybody plays to make sure that your child is safe and in a secure and safe environment when they're on our campus. Thank you for your time to listen and to watch the PowerPoint. If we can help in any more ways, or if we can share any further information, please reach out to myself or one of the Deputy Designated Safeguarding Aides. We thank you for supporting us in ensuring that we are all responsible for keeping our students at GFD safe and in a safeguarded environment.